Wagwan, wagwan. People there, you have learned the Jamaican language. It's a good language when you learn. And when you come at Jamaica, you are going to see. Them are going to ask you a question. Who are you going to do? Let me teach you some of the word them you have to learn when you come at Jamaica. Number one. Somebody no sabi what I say. Someone does not understand what I say. No for them ball. Many of them cry. What them want? What do they want? Who that? What is that? Come back here. Come back here. Go away. Go away. This here man ya chat. This man talks a lot. Call for me. Them there boy. This here mean. Call for me those boys. You have to understand. The word is sabi. It come from Africa. It is an original word from Africa. Sabi. If you sabi this, sabi this, sabi this. It means you have to know this. You have to understand this. You sabi what I say. Somebody come here and ask me one leap question. And me tell him, me sabi all question you ask me. Someone came and asked me a lot of questions. And I told him that I understand all the questions. You get? This here language it have good sound. This here language it have good sound. This language is easy. It has a good sound. Jamaican language a famous mother tongue. Jamaican language is my mother tongue. You understand what I say? What I say? Yeah, I think you understand. As you watch, subscribe and put the notification bell. Do not forget. Pandi Jamaican Patwa TV. This your message come to you. Come to all. Missy Wolipa Langilala. I see a lot of tall men. Langilala. Langilala means a very tall man. A Langilala. Me a short man. You see? Me a short man. I am a short man. Stop that. Stop that. Only a question them ask. Many questions they ask. Where the place me want? Where is the place I want? What them want? What do they want? Take you all of the things them me no want. Take away the things I do not want. You understand what I say? Call for me all the young boy them. Call for me all the young boys. Where the man when know what I say? Where's the man who knows what I say? What left for Bambai? What left for Bambai? What is left is for buy and buy. You understand? What is left for Bambai? What is left is for buy and buy. You understand? This your language is Just learn the language. Just learn few language. It is speak everywhere. Just learn few language. It is speak everywhere. Just learn our language. It is spoken everywhere. Everywhere you go, you find no people speak few language. Whenever you go, you find the people speaking our language. You understand? This here language it originated from Africa. Africa is it origin. You understand? Few language easy. One language, no forget. Continue learning the language. Do not forget. Me brother take you all the things that me have. My brother took away all the things I have. Him take them away. Me ask him bring back a meeting. Him say me nav. Me ask him bring back a meeting them. Me want use them. Him say me nav. I asked him to bring back my things. He told me he doesn't have those things. That's why me hate. That's why me no want. Stop that. That's what I hate. That's what I don't want. Stop it. Things them are the hard. Things are very hard. This year man nyami. This man likes to eat every food he encounters. Nyami. Someone who encounters all the food. Any food he encounters he has to eat. That is a nyami. Messi wolipa pavenu. Wolipa orikumaup. Wolipa nofu orikumaup. Those are pavenues. You understand? Bye bye. Continue watching Jamaican Patwa TV.